Oh my goodness, my hair is a mess. Good morning. As you can see, I'm still in my bed. I woke up not too long ago. It's right now, I don't know if you can see. I thought it'd be fun today to do a what I eat in a day. So come follow me. I'm gonna get ready. This is my bathroom. It's very, very small. Shower, bathroom, or toilet. That's it. That's all. That's my bathroom. Very small. That's really all I need. We're back. I'm ready. Absolutely first thing I do each morning is I wake up so thirsty, like incredibly thirsty. So the first thing I do is I always drink water. Let's drink this. Ooh. We're gonna make coffee. Oat milk. Yeah. And look at that. Oh, the first sip. So excited. I like hated coffee, or I didn't really like see the value of coffee in college. I don't think I like drank it until afterwards when I like started working. And then, trying an espresso was just like a whole game changer, and I was like, no. And with the pandemic, guys, being able to do your own coffee at home, that's the way to do it. So good. Okay, let's make breakfast. We're gonna make some chia seed pudding. So let's get that ready. Wow, I just realized, like, now putting all the stuff of like what I put in it, it looks so elaborate, but really it's not. 3. Get some oat milk. And then I put a little bit of oats just to get more texture, chew. So while that's sitting, I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee. You know what I'm thinking I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go upstairs and pick my tarot card to pick my card of the day. Watch, so I'm gonna pick this one. And today is Ace of Wands. It's a pretty good one. Thank you. Rub him. It seems, oh yeah, it's craziness. More cooking stuff. I used to, when I had my pop-up restaurant, I would come up here and cook. So right now we're on my roof. I'd bake the bread here and then I'd cook at the restaurant. Back when I ran a pop-up restaurant, I'm happy with my card today. And I think today will be a very artistic, creative day that you guys will be a part of. So that seemed like kind of crazy, but it's not. You really just wait and you mix and you put some stuff in it and voila. If you don't like, I don't know, the texture of it though, then it might not be for you. It's kind of a little bit like gelatinous, a little bit. I mean, it's like pudding. It's like a pudding jello. It's already 9 o'clock. Gotta get moving. Yum. Today I made tteokbokki, which is a Korean spicy rice cake. And I made a separate video on my recipe, so be sure to check it out. I put in it rice cakes, of course, fish cake, cabbage, onion, boiled eggs, and it's super tasty dish that I like to whip up. All right, it is It's almost 6:30 and I just need a little snack right now. So I made some granola and I'm just gonna have a little bit of that before I go on a run. Not too much though, because if I eat too much, then I'll get like a stomach ache. It's so easy to make this, so I'll show you guys next time on how to get these like nice, real good clumps. The problem with granola, it's so addicting for me. I can really overdo it. So I gotta put it away, out of sight, out of mind. Just want to make sure that I capture that for y'all. And I'll catch you guys for dinner.
All right, I'm back. I've showered and we're gonna make a cucumber salad. This is just with like odd bits and pieces that are in my fridge. We're gonna do half a cucumber. We're just gonna dice this up. Then I'm gonna do just like a little bit of red onion. This might be a little too much, but I like it kind of oniony. So just like a small little bit of onion. And this is my like little compost bucket. And what I do, so I don't have to go like every 2 seconds, is as I cook, I'll put it in a little bin and then I'll put it inside my freezer until I have to go like make a pit stop. So my freezer has a little compost section. And it's good because like when you freeze it, it doesn't go bad. Then I'm gonna do, I really only need 1 tomato. Now I'm gonna do, I have half a yellow bell pepper. It'll be nice because it'll give a nice pop of the yellow. I think it's really important to make your food look pretty. Then it like just enhances your dining experience. I think like that's why like Japanese, the French are really into making sure that their food is really pretty. I guess a lot of people are too, not just them. So I just added a lot of parsley and that was from my garden. Great. Now we're going to dress this. So I'm gonna put in a lemon, some olive oil, a nice drizzle, some fresh pepper. I used to not like pepper that much. It's nice, it's nice. And just a little bit of salt. We don't have it too much because the feta cheese is gonna add a nice bit of salt. Nice sprinkle. Oh, you know what else I want to put in here?
Oh my God, let's put sumac in it. Little sumac flex.
And some sumac. It's like a ground up berry. It's like Mediterranean, but it adds a nice like zestiness to it. I think that's it. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. That yumminess. That is dinner. Let me take a bite. That's good. So tasty. So fresh. I'm just gonna finish it off with some nice rice crackers to give me that crunchiness. Getting up and personal. All my skincare. Thanks for joining me on a what I eat in a day. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. And please like and subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.